Step 1. Magic Player menu. Select Magic Player Display Settings menu button to open menu. Step 2. Advanced Options. Navigate to and open Advanced Options. Step 3. Date and Time. Locate date and time settings and open to confirm correct time zone settings. Step 4. Set time zone. Review and adjust the time zone as needed to reflect your location. Note, the exact location may not appear. Select the time zone that best aligns with your current location. Step 5. Return to main menu. Press the return arrow until back to the main menu. Step 6. Main menu. Once at the main menu, navigate to and select System Control. Step 7. System Control. In System Control, select Switch Screen Settings to establish a daily on-off schedule. Note, this applies the same on-off times to every day. To create different on-off schedules for different days, use Switch Machine Settings instead. Step 8. Switch Screen Setting. Click plus Add Option to create a new screen schedule. Step 9. Start Time. Set the open screen time to your desired start time for content playback. Step 10. Off Time. Set the off-screen time to your desired end time for content playback. Step 11. Save and exit. Save the schedule to the device and exit the menu completely. Step 12. Audit the schedule. With your schedule set, monitor the device to ensure the screen powers off as scheduled. We hope this has helped. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Remember, be loud, be smart, but most of all, be seen.